Hi everyone, I'm Rachel, and in this tutorial I'll show you how to create Woodland Nymph style makeup using the Color Therapy app. To create this makeup effect, I primarily use the splatter tool. I'll show you how to transform any portrait to be a woodland creature with these steps. Okay, so since this tutorial is just going to focus on her makeup, I've already colored in her hair and the butterflies and added some shadows. In the tap to fill mode, just select that gradient green that we have. Select radial so it's lighter in the middle and just tap to fill in her eyebrows, as well as her lips. And for the eyebrow on the right, just set it from dark to light and just tap it in so that it blends well together. Now let's just add some freckles to start off. So select that orangish brown color and then open the manual mode. Select splatter and then lower the opacity all the way to 0 and the size to 75. Make sure that coloring inside the lines mode is set to on, and then you're just going to quickly drag your finger across the face where the nose is. And that's how you get freckles. Now let's begin to add some eyeshadow around the eyes. So select that bright green we have, and in the manual mode, we're going to use airbrush right now. So select airbrush. Let's have the opacity this time at 65 and the size at 45. Now you're just going to outline the eyes. I'm going a little below the eyes and way beyond where a normal eyeshadow would go, kind of creating a green glow. Now let's add some sparkles with the blue. So in the manual mode, raise the opacity to 15 and lower the size to about 30%. And just touch it into the same corners of the eyes, just kind of going around the side and the corner. So you can even add it a little just under the eyes too. And then with the yellow, we'll just add it into the corner just a little bit, just to brighten it up in the inside corners of the eyes. Now let's do another layer and raise the opacity this time to 65. Now with that light blue again, the teal color, we're just gonna add even more sparkles. And this time they're a lot brighter, so it's gonna stand out even more. And I'm only doing that in the far outside corners of the eye. We'll also do that with white in the inner corners. And with the spray tool, we're just gonna spray right under the eyes just to lighten it up. Now zoom into one of the eyes and you're gonna wanna switch to the airbrush tool. And with the dark green, you're just gonna add a bit of a shadow right above the crease using your finger or an Apple pencil. And then bring it down a little bit below the eye as well. If you wanna add some eyeliner, you can do that too with black. This time you want to turn coloring inside the lines mode to off, and then lower the size to about 15%. And then you can add the eyeliner just under that top lid. And it's going to go over the eye a little bit, but it looks good that way. And then you can lower the size further to size 0 and add it on the bottom. And you can just follow the line of that bottom lid. And you can use the same splatter techniques on the lips and on the other eye. Here's the final image after I added a green tint around her face and drew in eyebrow hairs, as well as shading the lips. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe to the Color Therapy YouTube channel so you don't miss any new tutorial videos. Thanks for watching our tutorial. You can get the Color Therapy app for free on the App Store.